Tip 35. How much? Non-countable. Always singular. How much time do we have to learn English? Time. Non-countable. We have 2 months to learn English before the trip. How much are those shoes? Money. Non-countable. Just $20. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? Sugar. Non-countable. No sugar, please. How much traffic was there on the way to work? Traffic. Non-countable. Too much. How many? Countable. Has plural form. How many hours do you study every day? Hours. Countable. I study 4 hours every day. How many dollars does it cost? Dollars. Countable. Just $20. How many sugar spoons do you want? Spoons. Countable. No sugar, please. How many cars did you pass on the way? Cars. Countable. Too many. Tip 35. Exercise. Fishing. I want 5 apples. How many apples do you want? I want 5 apples. It costs $5. How much does it cost? It costs $5. I love you a lot. How much do you love me? I love you a lot. I have 1 dog and 1 cat. How many pets do you have? I have 1 dog and 1 cat. 5 children are joking. How many children are joking? 5 children are joking. 3 spoons, please. How much sugar do you want? 3 spoons, please.